In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the camshaft position sensor on this BMW X5. This is going to be in the front of the engine. Let's get into it. Take this panel off. I'm just using some trim tool pliers. Pull the push pins out. Grab the panel, slide it off. We're going to disconnect the connector. I'm just going to use some pliers, some long needle nose pliers. These are actually hose pliers. There's two tabs on the sides. Just push on those tabs, release the connector, slide it off. I'm going to use a 5mm hex socket and take this bolt out. And grab the sensor, give it a wiggle. And here it is. Pull it right out. Take the new sensor. You can put a little dielectric grease or silicone lubricant on the seal just to make it go in smoother. Get that lined up. There we go. And push that in. Take the bolt, get the bolt started. Snug that down. Now I'm going to torque this to 79 inch-pounds. That's good. Now connect the connector, line that up, lock it in place. That's good. Put this cover in place. Lined up. Push the push pins in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.